welcome to Irrational Math Academy. In this video, we'll be solving proofs of trigonometry. Let's start. What is the proof they give? Under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Let us take LHS part. Here, we'll take LHS as under root of 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. This, I'll rationalize this one. So 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So those who know the rationalization, how to do it, no problem. Those who don't know, what you have to do is, if you are here, 1 minus cos theta is there, right? Multiply with here, just change the sign. 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here, if it is like 1 plus cos theta, when we are rationalizing, what we'll do here? 1 minus cos theta, that is what we'll do here. Clear? Next step. If you see here, you treat it as total as A into A. What happens? A square. Here, what is our A? 1 plus cos theta whole square upon, and if you see the denominator, remember here, A into A, what will you get here? A square. And one more thing, if you see here, A minus B into A plus B. If you remember, this is a formula, A minus B into A plus B. What will you get here? A square minus B square will get. In our case, what will get here? 1 square minus cos square theta will get. We can write it as what? 1 minus 1 square is 1 only, right? 1 square minus cos square theta will written here. 1 minus cos square theta and 1 plus cos theta whole square upon, from the identity, which one? Sine. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If I transpose this cos square theta to this side, what happens here? Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, what I'll substitute here? Sine square theta I'll substitute here. Sine square theta I'll substitute here. Under root of, if you see here, 1 plus cos theta whole square by sine square theta. Okay, what already? 1 plus cos theta by sine theta whole square I'll write down. And this square and the root gets cancelled. I'll be left with what? 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. So this one, what you can write here? A plus B by C, we can write it as what? A by C plus B by C. Here also we can write it as what? 1 by sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta. You can, okay, once again I'll repeat here. 1 plus cos theta by sine theta, I can write it as what? 1 by sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta. And one more thing we have to remember is 1 by sine theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Plus cos theta by sine theta is nothing but cot theta. This is our, if you observe this one, this is our RHS, right? So cosecant theta plus cot theta here. We'll write down this one as what? This is RHS. Therefore, in the end, what you have to do is LHS equal to RHS, hence proved, hence proved. Write down this one. Once again, I'll repeat here. First thing, I took the LHS part. What was the LHS part here? Under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Then what I did here, I rationalized this one. So here in the denominator 1 minus cos theta was there, right? So 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. After rationalizing, if you observe this one, 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square, and 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 square minus cos square theta. And from that, from the identity, what we can write here, 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta. If you observe in the numerator also you have square and the denominator you have square. So take the common square. So after taking the common square, the square and root gets cancelled and you are left with what? 1 minus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. And if you split it further, 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is nothing but what? Cosecant theta, and cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. That is our RHS. We'll go to the next problem. Similar question. Okay, if you see this one, this is similar question. Again, I'll take LHS part here. What I'll do here? 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. Again, for this also, I'll do the rationalization only. So 1 plus sin A on 1 minus sin A. So if you see here, denominator 1 minus sin A, right? What I told here, when I want to rationalize here, 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So under root of, if you see here, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, what do you get here? 1 plus, okay, sin A whole square, okay, by here 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, what I'll get here? 1 square minus sin square I'll get here. 1 square minus sin square A I'll get here. One more thing from the identity, that is sin square theta or sin square A plus cos square A. What do you get here? Cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. So in place of 1 minus sin square A, I can write it as what? Cos square A. So what I'll do here? Under root of 1 plus sin A whole square by what we are having here, 1 minus sin square, right? So 1 minus sin square means what you can write here? Cos square A we can write down here. What is next? After writing down, if you observe this here, what is there here? Under root of, okay, 1 plus sin A whole square is there, sin square by cos square is also there, right? What will write here? Cos square. So in the numerator and denominator square is there, right? I'll take that square common, and square and root gets cancelled. So I'll be left with what? 1 plus, okay, 1 plus sin A by cos A. Yes, now I told you, right? A plus B by C, I can write it as what? A by C plus B by C. So what will get here? 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So remember this thing, 1 by cos A equal to what? Secant A, and sin A by cos A is nothing but what? Tan A. So I'll substitute here. 1 by cos A means what already here? Secant A plus sin A by cos A means what already here? Tan A. This is our RHS, right? RHS. So finally what you have to write down is LHS equal to RHS and proved. Okay. Next. Same thing. What we'll do is here LHS will take. Okay. LHS will take. LHS is what? Okay. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. If you observe this one, this is nothing but what? A plus B whole square, right? It is nothing but what? A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means what we know here? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Same thing, we'll expand this one. What we'll do? We'll expand here. So what we'll get here? Sin square A plus, okay, cosecant square A plus 2 sin A, okay, and cosecant cosecant A plus here also cos A plus secant A whole square is there. So what we'll do here? Cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos here 2 cos A and secant A. So one more thing, what we'll do here we'll arrange it. What we'll do here? Sin square A plus cos, okay, cos square A plus, okay, cosecant square A plus secant square A plus 2 sin A and cosecant A plus 2 cos A, okay, cos A and secant B. One thing you have to remember here, what is the identity we know here? Okay, sin square A plus cos square A value is what? 1 plus, okay, if you want to write down, I'll write down this one. What I'll get here? All this related sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. And one more thing, sin A into cosecant A. Okay, sin A into cosecant A equal to also 1 and cos A into secant A, this is also equal to 1. So wherever we see this sin A into cosecant A, will substitute the values. Here 1 we substitute here. We'll write down cosecant square as it is, cosecant square A plus secant square here, secant square A plus 2 into this value, I'll get it as what? 1, and here again 2 into 1. So total if you observe here 1, 2 into 1 2, okay, and here 2 into 1 2. So what will get here? 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. But what we need in RHS? Tan, right? This. So 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A and 1 plus, okay, cot square A equal to cosecant square A. So here, so 5 plus cosecant square, right? So cosecant square means what I can write it here? 1 plus, so cot square A plus secant means what I can write here? 1 plus, okay, tan square A. If you observe here, 5 plus 1 plus 1, this becomes what? 7. Then tan square A plus cot square A. This is nothing but if you observe this one, this is our what? RHS. Okay, therefore you can write it as what? LHS. Okay, equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Next, here, okay, if condition is there, right, we utilize this if condition. So what I'll write down here, what we have to do here, proof we have to do it. Okay, so what I'll do here, k equal to k, okay, secant theta plus cot, okay, cot theta. We want a k square to use, right? So we'll do squaring on both sides. So squaring on the, both sides. This becomes what? K square equal to, this is also See, cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square means what happens here? Cosecant square theta plus cot 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 theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Okay, now we'll take RHS part and we'll substitute this one. What is that RHS part? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. What I'll get here? K square means what I'll, okay, secant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta 2 cosecant theta and cot theta. Next again cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. One thing we forgot here. Here it would be minus, here minus, and here you see here plus 1 is there. And one thing we know, 1, okay, cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus means what we know here, identity we write down here. Okay, from this identity, cot square theta equal to what? Cosecant square theta. Cot theta means what? Okay, cosecant square theta minus 1. So here, if you see here, this is my cosecant square theta, there is minus 1, right? So cosecant square theta minus means what I can write it here? Cot square theta plus cot square theta. So cot square theta plus 2, okay, cosecant theta cot theta upon, and here if you observe here, 1 plus 1 is there, right? So what I'll write here? Cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta and this cosecant square theta. Okay, this cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant square theta into cot theta. From this, so this you can write it as what? 2 cot square theta. 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. This is also 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. If you observe this one, here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here 2 cots are there, here 1 cot is there. So if I take these 2 cots common, okay, 2 cot if I take common, I will left with what? 1 cot here plus, and what is left here? Cosecant. Same thing in the denominator. 2 cosecant is there. Okay, 2 cosecant. If I take cosecant common, I will get what? Cosecant theta plus cot theta. I will get. If you observe this one, this part, okay, and this part gets cancelled, and one more thing is 2 also gets cancelled. So I'll be left with what? Cot theta by cosecant theta, and cot theta I can write it as what? Cos theta by sin theta, and here 1 by sin theta. Sin theta gets cancelled, and you'll get what? Cos theta, which is our LHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, we are done with 4 questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.